The term essentials has an entirely new meaning these days. From face masks to sanitizer, we now have true essentials that we must carry regularly. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't think beyond that. From multifunctional screwdrivers to no-touch door openers, here are some pocket-sized everyday carry essentials that are sure to come in handy. In today's video, we will be showing you many tools that everyone will love to have. Without further ado, let's begin. Touchless brass antimicrobial tool. What started as a simple idea to help people stay healthy during COVID-19 has turned into a must-have accessory for anyone needing an all-in-one multi-tool. Clean Fob is more than just a button pusher or a door opener. It's a screwdriver, a box cutter, a hook for holding bags or public railings in the subway and buses, plus it's a bottle opener. Made from the highest quality solid brass, this multi-tool readily stops germs from growing on its surface. Key Bar Compact Key Holder, Multi-Tool and Organizer. Key Bar is a patented key organizer with a titanium pocket clip that features an integrated multi-tool. This key organizer is designed to reduce bulk and eliminate the noisy jingle of your keys. Capable of housing up to 12 different keys, Key Bar provides a designated spot for quick access to each one without having to dig through a clump at the bottom of your pocket. Pivot Bundle Minimalist with Key ID and Mocha Tool. Part high-tech key organizer, part Swiss Army knife, part lost and found service, all in one modern streamlined device. The Keyport Pivot Minimalist Bundle replaces your bulky keychain and consolidates your most essential everyday carry items, key organizer, multi-tool, and lost and found tag into a single stylish, modular multi-tool that you will use multiple times every day. The Keyport Pivot holds 2 to 9 of your existing keys and features a proprietary locking mechanism that provides the perfect tension for keys and tools to ensure smooth operation. It also features a 360-degree low-profile swivel D-ring to attach loose items, like an auto-remote fob. It comes with a Mocha 10-in-1 multi-purpose keychain tool to help you with almost anything. It's a bottle opener, screwdriver, cutter, hex bit driver, and more. Anywhere Tools Everyday Carry Bundle. Keyport transforms personal access by transforming personal access from an unwieldy collection of everyday carry items into a fully customizable, modular platform that combines the utility of a keychain, the convenience of a Swiss Army knife, and a proprietary style. Anywhere Tools is a major addition to Keyport's modular everyday carry system by introducing a series of new tech and tool modules along with another way to carry them, the Anywhere Pocket Clip. The pocket clip and improved modular stacking system gives you a whole new array of carry options for Keyport modules in addition to attaching them to the Key Pivot and Key Slide 3.0. Ever Ratchet Ratcheting Keychain Multi-Tool. Make quick work of a wide variety of household fixes thanks to the Ever Ratchet Keychain Multi-Tool. Thanks to Ever Ratchet's dynamic ratchet, you can crank in screws faster with up to 20 pounds of torque. In addition to the ratchet, every ratchet features 7 wrenches, a bottle opener, and a wine stripper built in. Plus, it comes with a custom-sized flint-to-go fire flint, so you can start a fire fast. It's a one-size-fits-all tool that fits on your keychain and works for virtually any project. Patent-pending ratchet feature keeps you from needing to lift and reposition the tool when working with limited visibility or space. Includes 7 wrenches, bottle opener, wire stripper, metric and imperial rulers, box opener and scraper, and wire stripper. Bits Blade 2.0 Multi-Tool. How many times have you needed a screwdriver for a quick tightening of the loose screw on your cabinet or under your chair, but were too lazy to go rummaging through your toolbox for such a small job? StatGear has created the Bits Blade 2.0 as an epic tribute to the human ability, the drive to create, and our aptitude for advancement. Bits Blade 2.0 is basically the evolution of the multi-tool with 26 features packed into a sleek design. Now you have an interchangeable knife, box cutter, and hex wrench along with a flashlight and 9 interchangeable double-sided S2 steel bits. All these features are packed into one tool and included carry pouch for easy carry. The Kelvin 007 Pocket Spinning Tool, set of 2. Keep your hands busy between fix-it chores with this addictive pocket-sized multi-tool. 6 handy heads, 2 straight screwdriver bits, 2 Phillips, and 2 Torx tips snap into the star-like handle magnetically, and ceramic bearings inside make for smooth spinning. Give it a whirl as a gift for anyone who likes their gadgets playful. With 6 handy heads, 2 straight screwdriver bits, 2 Phillips, and 2 Torx tips, whip it out and give it a whirl, literally, whenever you need to work on something. Higher Objects Sawyer Utility Bracelet. The Higher Objects Sawyer Multi-Purpose Bracelet is a one-of-a-kind wearable multi-tool that you will find irreplaceable once you put it on. The Sawyer is a high-quality stainless steel multi-tool which is the perfect replacement for that old-fashioned pocket knife and even includes a small screwdriver perfect for a variety of odd jobs. This utility bracelet features a genuine leather strap that does not only fit all wrist sizes, but is stylish enough to look great with just about any outfit. Be job ready and stylish at the same time with Higher Objects. It's a higher quality stainless steel multi-tool watch that is an ideal replacement for that pocket knife and screwdriver you've been wanting to retire. Skillmaster 24-in-1 Handyman Smart Key Tool. Engineered to perform multiple tasks with ease, this multitasker makes a perfect gift for an adventurous and ingenious handyman. It's a very innovative device that has brought together several different functions in one smart and sturdy tool. It enables you to quickly tackle and fix any project you take on, and simply fits on your key ring, so it is always handy. You have the knack, all you need is this key. This multitasker is the secret weapon to any handyman or woman. Its innovative design combines every tool that you need into one functional package, allowing you to fix anything on the go. Collective Carry Glowing Vials. The X-Vial is the long-lasting glow-in-the-dark keychain accessory that is both tons of fun and exceedingly practical. The vial uses a special material that will give you hours of light on just 10 to 15 minutes of light exposure each day. Attach it to your keys, backpack, zipper, or wherever else you need a little light. Attaches easily to keychains, zippers, and more. Charges itself from the sun, acting as a nearly infinite light source. Extremely portable, letting you see into dark places just about anywhere. Never lose your keys in the dark ever again with the Collective Carry Glowing Vials. These vials use a special material that gives you hours of glow with just 10 to 15 minutes of light exposure a day. It's quite literally a light that never goes out. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!